Growing your following with social media. Snapchat allows you to connect with your social community to further enhance your brand's voice and tone in a creative way. So you better take full advantage of that to increase your following. There are several ways to take advantage of the viral power of social media to get more Snapchat followers. The first simple way is by going to the Add Friends function inside the profile screen while using your mobile device. If you tap in Share Username, you'll be able to pick any communication app you have installed on your device. You should have installed as many social network apps as possible in your device, so you can see them listed here and invite your friends in those social media platforms to be friends in Snapchat as well. They will receive your username in that invitation, as well as what is known as the Snap Link, which is a direct access to your Snap code. The second simple way is by using your social media posting function. This is pretty similar to using the Share Username option inside Snapchat, but this second option can be applied using your laptop or desktop computer. With this option, you could use a message similar to Snapchat sends. Maybe you could use something like, "Add me on Snapchat, username." Then you insert your username and add your Snap link, which will look something like www.snapchat.com/ad/, directly followed by your username. With this, your friends will simply open Snapchat, point their camera at your Snap code located in the Snap link you provided them, and tap and hold the Snap code. That's it. Very easy, don't you think? The third simple but powerful way to do all this is by using social media management tools like Hootsuite.com, which is the leading social media dashboard, with which you can manage multiple networks and profiles at once. Yeah, that's right. You can increase your social reach and productivity with their app directory, a collection of 80-plus applications like Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, and Marketo, right in the social media dashboard. If you do this, those who already know you can follow you on Snapchat. You just need to share your username, Snap code, and Snap link on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and all social media platforms that you are a part of. Here are some other ideas for you to use the viral power of social media. Share your Snap code or Snap link in your bio. Add it in your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and any of the social media platforms you use. So every time someone goes to your profile, they can see your Snap code and add you. Share your Snap code or Snap link in your status. People that are viewing your status may know you have a Snapchat account. By adding the photo of your Snap code, they can add you more easily. Use specific reasons. A great way to get more followers is by giving them reasons to follow you, like, "Take a look at today's story, you'll like it. If you follow me, you'll get an amazing gift, but today only." Make people feel curious about you. Be mysterious. Give them something to make them think they can't get you out of their head. A great example of this is a tweet made by Taco Bell. "We're on @Snapchat. Username Taco Bell. Add us. We're sending all of our friends a secret announcement tomorrow. #shh." Look at examples of other brands to get more ideas. A lot of brands get the most out of Snapchat, and you want to as well. You could see what they do, and that will give you some awesome ideas. Some of the best brands on Snapchat are General Electric, Taco Bell, NBA, etc. Take a look at Discover. Make your Snap code your profile picture in your social media accounts. Every time you post anything on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, etc., your followers can see your Snap code anytime you post.